Hey, what's up everyone? Today, we're diving deep into Crazy Nutrition's Tri-Protein, a game-changing supplement that's been turning heads in the fitness world. Ready to supercharge your workouts? Let's get started. First up, let's talk about what makes this protein special. It's got a unique blend of 4 different proteins that work together to keep those gains coming all day long. We're talking Whey Isolate, Whey Concentrate, Micellar Casein, and Milk Protein Concentrate. It's like having a protein party in your shaker. Now, check this out. Unlike regular protein powders that hit fast and fade quick, Tri-Protein gives you that sustained release you need. Think of it like a time-release capsule for your muscles. Plus, it's packed with this awesome DigeZyme enzyme complex that helps your body absorb all that protein goodness. No more bloating or digestive issues. Want to know how to use it? Super simple. Just mix 1 scoop with water or your favorite drink. Perfect for post-workout, breakfast, or whenever you need that protein hit. And the flavors? They're absolutely killer. You've got chocolate, vanilla, salted caramel, strawberry, and banana, all tasting amazing without any nasty artificial stuff. Here's what you'll love about Tri-Protein. It keeps your energy levels steady, helps you recover faster, and supports that lean muscle growth we're all after. Whether you're hitting the weights hard, doing CrossFit, or just trying to stay fit, this supplement's got your back. Looking at the price? Yeah, it might be a bit more than your regular protein powder, but here's the deal. You're getting premium quality and that unique time-release formula. Plus, if you go for the subscription, you'll save 20% off the regular price. Not bad, right? There you have it. Crazy Nutrition's Tri-Protein in a nutshell. If you're serious about your gains and want a protein that works as hard as you do, this is definitely worth checking out. For more details, hit up the link in the description. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more supplement reviews, and let me know in the comments if you've tried Tri-Protein. Catch you in the next one.